This is part of a series of videos about one specific problem, 2/3 plus 1/4. Using conceptual fractions free tools, we're modeling whole class discussions to build deep understanding. We're using a variety of tools to represent the same problem in multiple ways. And in this video, we're using the addition of fractions with uncommon denominators tool. So let's see what the problem is. 2/3 plus 1/4. Now, in other videos, we've approached the same problem in different ways, with pattern blocks, with a unitizing grid, and we've done a bunch of background building around the concept of the one fraction. So we can say to the students now, take a look and see what our one fractions are here. We have 2/3 times 1/1, which gives us the same thing, 2/3, and 1/4 times 1/1, which gives us 1/4. And lo and behold, when we go to add 2/3 plus 1/4, we don't find commonality. The pieces don't fit because the number of equal parts are not related to one another, and they're certainly not equivalent. So we're going to want to change the one fraction to find the equivalence, and we can have the students experiment. Let's say they change the one fraction and make it 2/2. How have things progressed? Now we have 4/6 plus 1/4. Is there a good relationship? Is there equivalence? Not yet. It's not that useful. The students can experiment on their own. I don't need to lead them in this. They can be at the board, at their own computers, and working with this. If we take 2/3 times 3/3, we get 6/9. Can we express fourths as ninths? Is there commonality? Not yet. And it's when we get to 4/4 as our one fraction that we start hitting the right cylinders. Now there is a relationship. We can see that 3 of the shaded parts in the top model are equivalent to 1 of the shaded parts in the bottom model. So now, if we multiply this times 3/3, we're going to land up with those 12ths. In the other videos, using the other models, we saw how intuitively, when we added 2/3 plus 1/4, we landed up with 11/12. Now the students can come to their own discovery in a more numeric and one could say mathematical sense, seeing that yes, 2/3 plus 1/4 will equal 11/12. And in fact, eventually, we can even remove those visual models and see it just like this, that 2/3 plus 1/4 does in fact equal 11/12.